The Okuma Multus is built for high-precision multitasking, combining turning, milling, and full 5-axis machining in one powerful platform. Designed to reduce setups and handle complex parts with speed and accuracy, it's a true modern manufacturing powerhouse. Now paired with NC Simul from Hexagon, you can fully validate G-code before machining, detect collisions and execute prove-outs off-machine, simulate full machine kinematics, optimize complex multi-axis operations, and reduce downtime, setup time, and costly mistakes. If your shop runs advanced mill-turn or 5-axis machines, NC Simul is the edge that keeps production fast, safe, and efficient.